This isn't too interesting, but this is something that needed to be done. So usually when you go to the settings, nothing would happen, but now there's actually a menu where you can actually change stuff, which is pretty necessary. You can see over here we have the FPS, and just for example, you can do like 30. Obviously I can't go above 60 because I only have a 60 Hz monitor. Field of view as well, that works. Do that, goes up to that. 120 is the base value. You got sensitivity here. Let's do this. The keybinds, I gotta work on these next. Vertical sync, as well as resolution. Actually shows you the supported resolutions by your monitor. So right now, because I'm in PIE mode, and because my monitor is only 1920 by 1080, these are my options. Texture quality. This doesn't really seem to do anything because the texture is already really low quality anyways, so. Also, if you're not pleased with the maximum frames per second, you can go up, you can click on it, and you can go up to insane amounts like 7,000, 8,000, maximum being 9,000. To mention this in the last video, but there was a bug with the LMG and the grenade launcher where when they spawn their tasks for their alt fires, they wouldn't be correctly rotated. So for example, when I fire this and look around, the shield actually angles to where you're looking. Also added a boolean as well to toggle this on and off for different spawn task types. So the explosion ring spawn task, if you before would have looked at the ground and then fired, it would have blown up in your face because the axis rotates based on where you're rotated to, but now it doesn't do that. Now you can safely jump without worrying about blowing yourself up. You probably already guessed, but this spawn ring does do damage to enemies. Also, grenades do bounce off of walls. I may have mentioned this before, but if you have multiple weapons as well as the grenade launcher, you can actually switch to a different weapon, push G, and it'll quick fire a grenade. You can also quick fire and alt shoot the grenade launcher as well. From this idea alone, you can probably tell that I played Junkrat a lot in Overwatch. So that was the introduction of the settings menu and a quick review of the grenade launcher. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a good one.